Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need admin privileges and a compatible PowerShell build before changing settings. First, confirm you're in the administrators group and UAC isn't blocking elevation. Next, from Start type PowerShell, right-click and choose Run as Administrator to start an elevated session. While elevated, run $PS version table and WinVer so you know whether to update Windows Management Framework. Once done, you'll be ready to change execution policy, create an elevated shortcut, or troubleshoot permission and policy conflicts. Now change how PowerShell accepts scripts and how it launches. To avoid persistent policy changes, run Set Execution Policy Scope Process Execution Policy Bypass for the current session. This explains why a temporary bypass is safer. To always start elevated, create a desktop shortcut, open Properties, Advanced, and check Run as Administrator. If right-click elevation is blocked by policy, create a scheduled task that runs at logon with highest privileges and point it to PowerShell. EXE, finish by confirming scripts and policies are not the root cause. If a script won't run, right-click the file, unblock it, or run unblock file. Verify it's signed if your policy requires signatures. If elevation still fails, update or reinstall Windows Management Framework /PowerShell to fix corrupt components. Finally, check Event Viewer and Group Policy Editor for denied elevation events or applied policies. If problems persist, run PowerShell as another admin account to isolate profile-specific issues. This single troubleshooting step often reveals the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.